How to put other story on my story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can put someone else's story into your own story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open up a specific story, and if I want to add someone's story over here, so let me just choose a random person from this list, let's say for example. And if I choose one of the people from the list, and if I want to add this particular person's story to my own story, I have to simply go ahead and then take a screenshot. That is because I'm not tagged in this screenshot or this story. So in this story right over here, I'm actually tagged. As you can see my name over here, and as long as I'm tagged in the story, I can always go ahead and find this button that says add this to your story at the bottom. And from that specific button, if I tap on add this to your story, I'll be directly able to link that specific story to my own story on Instagram because I am tagged in it. Now you might have seen many of the people doing this kind of things, and you might be wondering how they do it. That is because you can only add this if you were tagged in it. However, if you're not tagged, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and then open up someone's story and simply take a screenshot. Once you take a screenshot of that story, you can just open up your own story and then simply post it in that way. And after you simply post it in that way, you can simply mention that person as well. That's all it takes to put someone else's story to your own story. Now because I have told you the rule, we hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.